Hey guys, it's Chloe here, and once again, I got new curtains. They're really pretty. They're white and blue, and then they have a thing in the middle white. And thank you guys so much for 20 subscribers. I love you guys so much. You guys are awesome. And yeah. So, I am, this video is going to be called Funny Voices, because this thing makes some pretty funny voices, and yeah, there's a music button, voice elf button, my voice button, and the on and off button. So, we're going to be doing this in order. There's some updates in Minecraft and Movie Star Planet. There's a lot of updates. Okay, so we're going to start with music. I'm going to, I got this on Christmas. Last year's Christmas, 2015. And yeah. Guys, my birthday's in 4 months! Woo! But it's still pretty long. It says Mary O'Keefe. I don't know how to say it. It has this thing, I don't really know how it works. So. Okay, let's try it.
Deck the house!
On the building. See how funny it is? No copyright. Guys, don't copyright. There's so much updating.
Way to go!
Don't copyright, please. Okay, let's do one more song.
Jingle bells! Here we go!
Alright, guys. Now on to this button. I did this one before, so now I'll make this one. smells so weird. Doesn't really sound like me.